In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find active Monopoly Go! Flash event schedules and use them to plan your roles more effectively. To get started, open Google Chrome on your device. You can do this on a phone, tablet, or computer, whichever you normally use. The goal here is simply to access the web quickly and look up the current Flash event schedule for Monopoly Go! Once Chrome is open, go to the search bar and type in a search phrase for active Monopoly Go! Flash event schedules. For example, you can search for current Monopoly Go! Flash events, or specifically look for events like High Roller or Wheel Boost. These Flash events usually run at certain times during the day, and knowing when they're active can help you decide the best moment to use your dice. As you review the search results, look for recent and updated schedules. Since these events can change frequently, it's important to focus on sources that appear current rather than outdated pages or old posts. You're trying to find the timing for the events that are active today or coming up soon, especially the ones that can improve your rewards or boost the value of your rolls. After you find the schedule, the next step is to plan your roll multipliers around those published event times. This is where the strategy comes in. Instead of using high multipliers randomly, save them for events that give you extra value. For example, if High Roller is scheduled, that can be a great time to increase your multiplier and make bigger moves while the event is live. If Wheel Boost is coming up, you may want to prepare your board progress so you can take advantage of extra spins or better outcomes during that window. The main idea is to match your strongest dice usage with the event that offers the best return. This helps you get more output from the same number of rolls, rather than spending them at times when there's no added bonus. Even a little planning can make a noticeable difference over time. A helpful tip is to check the schedule again before you start rolling, just in case the posted times have changed or been updated. Staying flexible is important, especially with time-based in-game events. That's the process. Open Chrome, search for the active Monopoly Go! Flash event schedule, and then time your roll multipliers to line up with those events so you can maximize your results more efficiently.